Well, my name is Michael Brown. I work for Carnegie Mellon University in the Open Learning Initiative. And we develop high-quality courseware that's technology-based. And we are very excited about doing so because we feel that our approach is a way to measure authentic skills that are used in today's workplace. We're very much focused at Carnegie Mellon on creating those environments using technology that enable students to do something. We believe that learning results from what students do and what they think, not simply what they know. And so we seek to create in our environments real, authentic type of experiences where they can practice. They have many opportunities to practice, receive formative assessment feedback as they're progressing in their coursework, and through the data that we collect, it enables the instructor to see how students are performing and then to modify their instruction as the class is in progress. With the Catalyst program, our focus is on measuring learning. And so we seek to define what that means. Again, as I said, we define learning as a result of what students do. So we seek to create environments in our courseware that enable students to practice things, that create simulations and virtual lab type of environments. With the Consortium, we are working with a very diverse group of institutions to help define what learning is. We're focused around those formative type assessments that will assess and measure STEM 21st century skills, those skills that are needed in today's workplace, things that are less often measured in the traditional schools, things like innovation, creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration among a culturally diverse and a geographically dispersed team. We're seeing some very exciting projects going on at École Centrale de Lyon. They're using HP tablet computers to have students interact with teachers and instructors real time. In their particular project, they're using a physics course where instructors can pose questions to students real time. They can respond by presenting their solutions using formulas and graphics, and then the instructor can see that real time, give them feedback, and through some combination of the teacher's feedback and the technology assessing it, it enables them to know how they're performing in the courses. Another one, Amrita University is India, has approached very similar to Carnegie Mellon's, wherein they incorporate simulations, virtual labs, manipulative objects where students can actually practice those authentic type of skills that they would use in the workplace relative to their specific subject domain. Through the Consortium, we believe that a community of practice is required to really make systemic change in higher education worldwide. We believe it really requires real data. We are very much focused on learning science and collecting data that actually provides evidence of how students are performing. And so what we envision through the Consortium is that ultimately we will define very specific skills across a cross-section of domains, and then methodologies for assessing those skills, and then using the technology, collecting data that on an ongoing basis can be used to evaluate how students are performing formatively as they're progressing, but then iteratively going back and then reviewing how the course is actually meeting the learning objectives that have been stated, and then making improvements to that.